Samantala, personal na i-inspeksyonin ni Pangulong Aquino ang ilang mga lugar upang tiyakin ang seguridad ng mga mamamayan ngayong Semana Santa. Ayon kay Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacerda, palagi naman itong ginagawa ng Pangulo simula nang maupo siya sa pwesto.
Well, the President always does that since from the time we started his administration, ang ating Pangulo po ay talagang dumadalo in inspection po itong ating yung mga terminals, mga shipping ports, mga airports, just to make sure that safety is the #1 factor in ensuring that as our Filipino countrymen go back to their respective provinces to celebrate and to contemplate on this on the Monday, Thursday, and until Easter Sunday, mahalaga po ang kaligtasan po ng ating mga kababayan. With respect to the details of the present inspection, let's just wait for further announcement na lang. Ilalabas po natin yan at we can assure you that you will have advance notice of the President's inspection schedule.